Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck is going on. Gratitude for hitting the like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Let's go ahead and get into it, see what the heck y'all got going on. Energy is fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. Let's see what y'all got going on. We have a ring. Number 25 can be significant. We also have the Ace of Wands, which speaks of new creative beginning or some sort of new beginning overall. This is like an energy of happiness, joy. This talks about you guys getting married. This may have something to do with luxury. Let's go ahead and take a look at the card. This is the card of union, cooperation, and family ties. To family ties, I'm seeing partnership, agreements, and understanding. Trust, success, and luck is what this is speaking of. The ring, number 25, can be significant. The number 7 can be significant as well. Would you mind clarifying ring, please, Spirit? What is it that we need to know in regards to rain? Matter of fact, let me grab this. This was sitting here for a reason. Can I find rain, please, Spirit? Rain. What's going on with rain? Okay, so the first card that came out is living in the moment. I'm seeing feelings. But I'm also showing police station. Maybe significant at the bottom of the deck. I'm showing goodbye. Wait a minute now. That took a turn, didn't it? Okay, so at the present in the past, I'm seeing someone living in the moment. I'm seeing an energy of someone catching feelings or having feelings or feelings blossoming, right? And then I'm seeing a police station out here. Clarify living in the moment. Living in a moment. Okay. Relationship expectation. And one more for living in the moment, please, Spirit. Okay. Rich guy. So it seems like there was some sort of expectation of possibly getting into a relationship with a rich guy. Okay, we have relationship out here, number 4. We have expectation out here, number 28, and we have rich guy out here, number 13. Living in the moment, having some sort of expectation of getting married, settling down, being in a relationship or a connection with a rich guy. Clarify feelings. What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective in regards to feelings? Okay, they threw them cards, right? So I'm definitely seeing clarifying feelings. I'm seeing the first card that came out is poverty. Number 37 can definitely be significant. Somebody could possibly be going through some sort of financial issues or problems. Okay, this could be like energetic poverty or something like that, spiritual poverty or something like that. But I'm also seeing it's connected to a karmic feminine energy. I'm seeing this energy. This person comes out as an enemy, some sort of op of yours. Or because and like I said, energy is fluid. It could be a masculine or feminine energy. So I see you in a connection, whether masculine or feminine. Living in the moment. I'm seeing rich guy out here, so that lets me know that there's some sort of stability out here. All right, and I'm also showing in the present energy of feelings. I'm seeing possibly a karmic female comes to the front. Whoever this karmic female that came out of the abyss, it seems like they possibly come in, possibly needing some sort of financial assistance or something like that. I don't know if something happened physically to this individual. If that's not the case, I'm seeing an energy of there is some sort of enemy of this person. It seems like this person wants access to this person's abundance, this rich guy abundance. I'm seeing like things have ended with this person, is what I'm seeing here. And I feel like this person possibly has been speaking about this rich guy as well, because I'm seeing flying monkeys. So if they have people with them or something, or on their side or something like that, this person might be the one that calls the police, this police station energy. Clarify police station. Oh, these cards just flew all over the place. Okay. So clarifying police station, the first card that came out is number 57. It speaks of chakras. Okay. I'm also seeing an energy of faith out here, especially when it comes to some sort of confusion. So I don't know if this person calls the police on you or on this rich guy, but I am definitely seeing an energy of someone being in alignment. There's an energy of someone having faith. There's an energy of some sort of new beginning that somebody's trying to dismantle, destroy, or stop or hinder. I'm seeing an energy of creating a lot of confusion, illusion, and chaos and things like that. This energy is coming out as a Jezebel. This person is very sick, a sick individual, and it seems like they're out to steal. to take an opportunity, take money, or what have you. They could possibly even be dabbling in magic. That's what I'm seeing here, and I'm seeing it's creating a lot of conflict. And what, yeah, you're coming out as the high priestess. It seems like this person has had conflict with you because this person sees forever with you and not with them. Ooh, anything else? Yeah, this person is definitely jealous and envious of you because I feel like whoever this person is possibly feel like you may have manipulated your way into the situation. This is the energy of this person possibly also being jealous and envious because the manipulation or whatever they're doing is not working. There's an energy of change here. I'm seeing what the way this person that you're dealing with or getting ready to deal with is feeling totally different towards whoever this person is that's trying to bring in this shenanigans, this problem. Is what I'm feeling here. This could also be a situation where somebody possibly even want you. Place it whatever way it need to be placed. But again, I'm seeing an energy of jealousy and envy, manipulation, and I'm seeing things changing and ending. Something coming to an end for a new beginning. It seems like you guys are a divinity. I'm seeing, yeah, courthouse. Yep. This person tried to mess with your happiness, your joy, your bliss. They can ready to receive karma for that because they came up against a star seed. A star seed energy. You could be like an indigo, an indigo child or something like that, because I am seeing the energy of violet right here, and I'm seeing that there's energy of abuse here. This person might possibly even try to pick a fight with you, try to hurt you or harm you in some form of fashion, try to call along you to get rid of you. In turn, this person's possibly going somewhere. They getting locked up. I'm saying goodbye, and I'm saying jackass, and because the truth comes out. That's what I'm seeing here. You guys receive a level up. It's talking about ascension. I'm seeing unexpected finances. All right. And here's the third party. This is the person in the back that's causing all the drama, trying to cause some sort of death magic, either trying to get you out of here, like physically, or trying to cause blockages in your life, is what I'm seeing here. This person is trying to do everything in their power to try to stop you, hinder you, okay? Hinder the connection that you have with whoever this person is. I feel like this person is like really crazy, mental health patient, needing some sort of therapy or something like that. They're talking real greasy with this false narrative, okay? Is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing everything's working out in your favor. Trust the process. Number 22, I'm seeing things balancing out. And I see there's an energy of achievement here. You win in the end. Number 52, I'm seeing this person sending love messages and things like that. It's like there's an energy of someone this person might pop the question. You guys might be dealing with someone, a masculine or feminine energy that's getting ready to pop the question. I'm seeing shocking news. And this person trying to cause drama. Look, again, it came out as Jezebel. Look, spell work. Yo. Yo, that is crazy. Let me grab one more. Somebody does not want this new beginning for you guys. Anything else? Somebody does not want this new beginning for you guys. It came out as twin flames twice. This might be your twin. This might be your twin. That's what I'm saying here. I feel like this person possibly was getting readings and possibly know about what's going on through a reading, tarot reading or something like that. And they're trying to drag this person back into a cycle. Trying to trigger them or yeah, trigger them into a cycle or something like that is what I'm showing here and back into some sort of karmic ties. But I'm seeing things working out in you guys' favor in regards to legal matters and then popping the question to you. All right. That's crazy. It's like this person, yeah, this person possibly even tried to fake a pregnancy as well. I'm saying this person is doing nothing but revealing their true colors of who they are as a person because your person is turning their back on them or you're turning their back on this individual. Somebody's watching from secret accounts, fake accounts, feeling like shit, can't sleep, stressed, worried, replaying events. Oh well, y'all have a good one. That's crazy work.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.